Today, we are introducing a new kind of calculator app that will change the way you see and use math in your daily life. And once you see how it works, you'll wonder why no one built it before. But the real magic happens when you get good at it, because then, numbers become your secret weapon. If you are wondering how an app can do that, you are going to be pleasantly surprised by the end of this video. But first, here is a question for you. What is the challenge in taking advantage of math? We all know tracking our numbers is a crucial part of our path to success. And yet, why don't we do it enough? Two simple reasons. First, math is presented like this, filled with digits and symbols and demanding high mental energy. It keeps us from focusing on the things we love. So, unless it's a fun puzzle, we naturally avoid it. And second, spreadsheets were a good math and number tracking tool for desktops, but there hasn't been a decent tool for mobile on the go. That's why we made Zolvy, to remove the clutter and make math usable in our daily lives, so it can be an easy tool to plan for our goals and targets. So how is Zolvy different? To begin with, you'll never have to do a calculation more than once. Why? Because as soon as you do, the app instantly automates it. From then on, you can simply change numbers on the go to see different results. This saves so much time and is a game changer for planning with numbers. What's more, you can create and organize any number of such calculations and even share them with your peers, at least the ones who are nice to you. So how does it work? Zolvy's little trick is that it replaces the equals button with two new buttons. Button 1, Enter. Just type in your calculation and tap Enter. The app instantly automates the calculation, displaying the inputs and the answer as a list. The formula itself is hidden away in the answer field. You can double tap to view or edit it. Button 2, Link. Continue calculating and tap the link button to link any previous field. And that's it. This is the automation of the calculations you just performed. You can tap on the left of these fields to add labels and on the right to change the values. Swipe to delete the fields you don't need, and you've gone from this to this. The typical clutter of math is hidden away and replaced with clarity. You can now reuse this one-time calculation for years to come, and eventually have all the math you'll ever need in your pocket. And you did it all by learning just two new buttons: Enter to automate and Link to refer to previous fields. But that's just the basics. Here are the top 3 unique features our users love. See which one you'll find the most useful. Number 3, entering formulas. If you have formulas with variables, just enter them directly and the app will automate them for you, and later change the values for the variables to get the answer. Pretty simple. Number 2, bracketing assistance. You can long press the close parenthesis and swipe to bracket a specific section of a calculation. This is helpful because we often realize the need for an open parenthesis only later on while typing. And finally, number 1, recording numbers. Just type in numbers and tap Enter, and the app records them for you. Of course, you can label these and link them in calculations. For example, you can note down all your essential expenses and sum them up. Then you can simply play with the numbers to plan your budget. Our users rely on this for several things, from tracking business expenses to tailoring measurements to cake mix experiments. And all these uses are made possible by those same 2 buttons, Enter and Link. Knowing your numbers is an essential part of your success story. And that's why we spent over 2 years perfecting Zolvy, to make it super simple yet very powerful, so you can leverage the power of math in your journey. We can't wait to see what you'll do with it.